Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the back straps. Glock Gen 4 comes with 4 back straps, medium and large, and just a straight, and then a medium and large, and with the beaver tail. The straight ones, I really don't like the way they fit on there. They don't really line up too well on the top. The beaver tail fits on there, kind of snaps on the top as well, so it fits a lot better. That's the one I'm going to be putting on today. Take them out, then you got your tool. It's a little tool that you can push your little pins out. It's a little plastic. I'll be using a 3/32 punch, and then this is the pin that you have to use when you put a back strap on. Alright, what we're going to do, grab the medium back strap with beaver tail, and it's got the letter on the bottom there, so you know which one it is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the pin, we're going to push it out the back there, as you can tell. This new pin is going to be longer, that way it'll grab each side of that back strap. What we're going to do, we're going to slot it in the bottom there. It's going to lock in down here. Then you're going to take it, press the top, and it's going to press in. This one fits a little better. I like the way it looks. Fits a lot better. Still feels real good in my hand. Now we're just going to take and put this pin in. Sometimes it doesn't line up just right. There we go. Gotta wiggle a little bit. This new pin's a little tough. It's a little bit bigger. As far as you can get it, and then just finesse it. Just a little bit more. Pushed it a little too far. What's in there, it's going to hold it. You don't have to be too precise about it. I just kind of wanted to make sure it was lined up real well. And there it is. That's all you got to do. Pretty simple. Putting a back strap on a Glock 19 Gen 4. Thanks for watching.